I'm going to show you guys how to make Pepsi blue. So first, you're going to want to find an empty bottle, just anything. I have this one, but let me show you guys. You just have to get any bottle. Just make sure it's clear, or if it's a blue one, you can use that. And then how I made this is goes over it. And I made this. Make sure you have some clear tape. But first, what you're gonna do, you're gonna make your design with pencil, and then you're gonna go over it with whatever you want, colored pencil, gel pen, or something, or marker. I just recommend colored pencils and gel pens for the outlines and stuff. And then colored pencils for most of it else. And then you can just tape it on here. You don't tape it on here, but you tape the back, the front and the back of the paper. And yeah, that's what you're gonna need to do. So just make sure it all front and back, and just pinch the edges. Make sure there's not any gaps where the water or something could get in. If the thing gets water on it. Well, anyways, how to make it. First, you're gonna need at least 2 cups. I'd recommend 3 actually. Okay, so you're gonna put in. I'm just gonna make. Actually, I'm gonna pour a little bit of that back in there. I'm just making a little bit. Okay, that's good. And then I get some of the syrup. It's gonna be blueberry flavored. Add a little bit, and you're gonna want a straw. So use your straw to mix it a little bit, and also to taste it. I know that's obviously not enough in there. It's barely blue. Okay, that should be enough. On camera, it looks more blue, but just taste it. Almost enough though. Just make sure it's has a blueberry flavor. It's not super strong, but you can definitely taste it. We're gonna be adding the Pepsi, and we're gonna have to, a little more. I'll come back. So once you get it here, you're gonna want to add the cola. Add a little bit to begin with. And just add more until it should be good though. Make sure it's kinda, it needs a little bit more than the syrup. And then you're going to want to add some food coloring. Just the blue one. Just 1 drop. Looks a lot darker, but actually you can see through it. Just taste it. Shouldn't really affect the flavor, but then put it into put the rest of this one in here. And you can see it's you can't really see, but And then find a bottle cap for it. You can use the original one, came with it, or you can use a blue one. I found this one. So I'm going to put this one on. And you can, okay. And then, there you go. Pepsi Blue. It tastes good.